Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel again. God damn, I've been making videos left and right. Guys, today I'm changing out, I'm actually not changing out anything. I'm actually installing the cup holders into the car. One of my first ever videos was the 5 things I hate about this car, and one of them was that it doesn't have cup holders. This car cost, I had a booklet somewhere, and well, it's all in the old video anyways, but the car cost like 40,000, 30 to 40,000, I don't remember, when it was new, and it never came with cup holders. Like, I know in the center console some of the models come with cup holders. That's what I'm gonna install today, but like, I still think for the price this car was sold, this was sold under the luxury sports coupe. So for that not to have cup holders, it was a little bit weird for me, and it was always an issue for me. You might not think you don't need cup holders. Did that make sense? My English is messed up, but you think you don't need cup holders until you do need cup holders. Guys, I drove this cross Europe actually. I drove from Ireland to Poland, and there's nothing worse than buying a cup of coffee and then driving and holding and drinking because there's no freaking cup holders. So let me show you what I got for use today. Boom, the energy. We're back in my garage, guys. It's way too cold outside to do anything outside, and it gets dark super quick. So anyway, our infamous table. I've ordered cup holders, which are carbon fiber for extra horsepower. This is the coin holder, obviously, and this is the cup holder itself. People ask me, why don't you do unboxing? Well, here it is. This is why I don't do unboxings. Sorry guys. Technical difficulty. And we're back. Okay, so this is the actual main part of the cup holder, and as far as I remember, this should sit something like this. Well, this sits lower down obviously, but something like that. Okay, so enough talking, let's get over to the car and let me show you how to install them. Okay, so as far as I'm aware, this is the original center console that comes with the car, obviously. And as far as I okay, concentrate, Greg. As far as I'm aware, there's nothing holding it apart from a few clips. So the way you should take it out is basically you kind of like squeeze the sides of it, and the clips should release. It's one thing doing it, another thing. Actually, is one thing saying it, another thing doing it, guys. So I'm trying. I can feel them coming out. Oh, here we go. Have one out. It would have been much easier if I just had 2 hands, but since I'm a YouTuber without a handy tripod. Okay, let me switch hands. The mighty right hand. Ah, yeah. The right hand, guys. The right hand. There we go. Simples. The whole thing just comes out. And, oh no, look, it's ripped. Well, that's sad. I thought it was mint. Anyways, that goes in there. And, I'm actually not even gonna clean this. You know why? Because I'm an absolute savage. Right, I'm gonna go get our super light carbon fiber, super horsepower cup holders. I think I should stop drinking coffee because I get mad hyper. But let's try and assemble this. By the way, guys, link to these exact cup holders in the description. As always, to all the videos, all the products that I use in the videos. This is an affiliate link, guys, so I will get a small commission from if you decide to purchase. I have to declare this, otherwise I will be in trouble. So obviously this is the little coin holder, guys. I don't even want to switch it because mine kind of gets stuck on stuff. I don't know why, if that's just the thing. I'm never going to use this, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And then, so the coin holder goes in first, and then the side that it's cut at an angle goes towards the hazard light button. So that kind of just goes over as at least that's what I thought it is. Maybe I need to assemble this prior to installing, so it kind of looks like that before it goes in. Yes, I will do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna try assemble it before I actually try put it in. So I'm gonna try and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to align it and let the clips click in together. You guys know, you guys are smart people, yeah? Do you ever get those stupid explanations? Like, oh, you have to do this. I'm like, I mean, are you stupid? I know what to do, like. Okay, so I think that's it. And the clips kind of join in together here, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna try. It's all it is. All I'm doing is trying. I'm gonna try and put it in together now. Alright people, so after, I don't know, 10 minutes of trying to fit this in, this kind of fit, the actual cup holder part is fit in there on properly and is actually secure. But the coin holder itself, I don't know, it just doesn't clip into anything. It seems like it's just manufactured wrong or something like that. So the link in the description, guys. Do not buy from there. Try and find some other ones. I will try maybe contact the seller and inform them that this is actually broken. And actually, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my coin holder was actually, as you can see, look, something's wrong with it from the very beginning. But the cup holder itself, I guess that's okay. So that's that. Pretty easy install if you have the correct parts, guys. So if you want to pick up, what am I doing? I look like a retard. If you just want to pick up a cup holder for an E46, do not buy the ones that I have in the link. It would cost about $25, I think, plus shipping. But it looks good. At least it looks okay in the car. Like, I don't know, I might just put the original one just because I'm kind of annoyed that it doesn't work properly, that it's not secured, and I think it might rattle when I'm driving, so that will annoy me. But hey, at least I have cup holders and I can drink my coffee in the car. So not worth it, guys. But anyways, that's that. What else I wanted to mention? Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the videos. Recently, I've been making I made a few recently. I'm gonna go home, relax for today. Tomorrow, maybe I'm gonna do the pedals. I have them here somewhere. If you haven't seen them, where did I put them? Here they are. So kind of like M style pedals. So that should be interesting. Hopefully they turn out better than the cup holders. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Peace. Take care.